Hey, today I'm on Trinidad Island. Megan Kochar is selling Surf City. Like and subscribe. We're going to take a look at this house. I help buyers and sellers like you every single day achieve their dreams of living in Surf City, USA. We're on Trinidad. I have a very biased opinion. I grew up on Trinidad Island. I love Trinidad Island, and I think it's the best island in Huntington Harbour. This is a converted single-story home, now a two-story home. So let's see the inside. I heard it's really pretty. So let's go inside and take a look. So this is the front. It's really pretty. And again, you're on Trinidad, the best island in my opinion. This is right on Aquarius. And you have the middle park there. Down this cul-de-sac, you have another park. So you have the parks that run through. Okay, so you walk in the front door and we have a nice big open floor plan. This is a super cute beachy style. And they bumped out the back of the house. So you have an extra large living room. Here's your cute little dining space. Let's take a look out here into the backyard. Look how pretty. So this grows all over Trinidad. Everyone has this on their walls, and it's nice because it creates a ton of privacy amongst the neighbors. Look how open with the vaulted ceilings. This originally was a single story, so they added all of this on. So let's go over here and check out the kitchen. So pretty, bright, beachy, blue. Some fridge is over here. Down here we have the powder room with a shower. This could be a downstairs bedroom. Technically no closet, but I guess you could use it as an office. We have laundry, a really nice, look at the flooring in this garage, you could eat off of it. So nice. And let's go through here. We'll go back into the living room and check out the other side. So there are bedrooms down because there was a single story previously. Let's go to the right. First room, really good sized bedroom, actually. Then this would be your bath for that. Then down here is a master, large walk-in closet. Wow. Master bath. Oh, this is so pretty. I love that tile. Look at that. So nice. There's AC on this house. He told me they redid the piping. This is awesome. Look how large this primary is. Wow. So cool. High vaulted ceilings throughout too. The ceilings are super high. Now let's go back down the hall. Over here, I like the gold accents too. Let's go up the stairs. The stairs are nice and open to the downstairs. And let's go to the left. You have two bedrooms. Wow. Here's one. Two. Then these share this bathroom. And then here's some extra like attic storage space. Wow, that's awesome. So it's 4 bedrooms, but that downstairs one that's an office could be your 5th bedroom. This is beautiful.